Hello guys, welcome to Pyar Unfiltered. Next episode. Huh? Hello guys, welcome to Pyar Unfiltered.
Where we are going to unmask प्यार की सारी पढ़ाव with you all. आज की गेस्ट कौन है पता है?
नहीं.
आज की गेस्ट हैं जो एक कपल है जो आपकी डेफिनेशन ऑफ लव एंड दोस्ती बिल्कुल चेंज करके रख देंगे. Are you excited?
I am excited. कौन
So
है?
guys, stay tuned. These are a similar couple like us. जैसे हम रियलिटी शोज से बाहर आए हैं, ये लोग भी रियलिटी शोज पे नहीं मिले हैं, बट ये लोग बाहर, इनकी जो प्यार की कहानी है वो रियलिटी शोज से कम नहीं है. एंड दे आर मैरिड. Yes, they dated for like 3 to 4 years and they got married and they're still together. तो हम लोग ऐसे ही couples को unmask करने आपके सामने आ रहे हैं.
So let's go.
Let's go. Hello.
What's
Hi.
up guys?
Hi guys.
Okay.
Hi.
यार I'm so sorry, मैं कबाब में हड्डी बनने आ गया हूँ. है ना, मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा मतलब मुझे जहाँ ज्यादा प्यार दिखता है मैं वहाँ आ जाता हूँ, क्योंकि प्यार की मेरी जिंदगी में बहुत कमी है, जो लोग जानते हैं.
घर की चाबी हम गेट तोड़ के आए अंदर. मतलब कि आज देखा जाए कि मोहित और स्टेफी के बेडरूम में ऐसा क्या. So by the way guys,
मेरे को भी जानना है क्या क्या होता है.
क्या होता है?
ऐसा नहीं हो कि सडनली ड्रॉ खुले और कुछ और निकले वहां से. Not our place, ना?
ऐसा हो चुका है वैसे हमारे साथ.
There you go.
We'll talk about it later. Okay. By the way,
No, I want to know this. What was caught in whose bedroom?
अरे इसके बेडरूम में कोई था. कौन था?
मेरे बेडरूम में भी था.
ये बनी जो आपके पास है अभी. मैं देखा.
So it was like हम लोग की get together party हो रही थी. Friends were there, and one of our close friend he found something on the drawer, in the drawer while he was searching for something else.
ऐसा कभी आपके साथ हुआ है? नहीं.
कभी नहीं हुआ. तो हमें करना पड़ेगा कभी जाके इनकी drawer check.
Married people, we don't need to use it anymore.
Okay
ना
guys.
बोल रहे हो आप?
I mean, we don't need to use condom anymore, right?
No.
Why? It's not taboo, right?
Yeah, it's not allowed.
Is condom a taboo word here? No.
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 Use
Definitely
condoms,
not.
guys. Please.
correct.
We're married. We don't need to. Y'all should. Y'all
Okay,
should.
ये conversation बढ़ती जा रही है without the introduction, but हमारे यहाँ का रूल है, हमारे शो का रूल है that we won't introduce the guests. They gonna introduce themselves.
Okay.
आप दोनों को एक दूसरे से अच्छा कौन जानता है, तो इसलिए आज आपको स्टेफी को और स्टेफी को मोहित को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है.
You wanna go first?
No. Yeah. If I go first, you'll take ideas from me.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
go first.
My intro will be based on what you say.
That is
Okay, Harsh will decide who will go first. Say just one name.
देखो आई एम विद इन गाइस गैंग. मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार ये लड़कियों को बहुत जल्दी आइडिया मिल जाता है, पिक करती हैं.
अच्छा.
स्टेफी विल टेल.
Okay, fine.
Steffi will start.
This is Mohit Hiranandani. He is a very fun, loyal, loving boy that I met 7 years ago, 8 years now. Funny.
I thought he's kissing her.
Funny guy that I met 8 years ago, and I instantly fell in love with him. And he's a great actor, one of the best actors that I've seen. He's very sweet, very loyal to his friends, loves his friends a lot, does everything for everybody. And I mean, I'm very happy and blessed to have him as my partner forever. So.
काश उशाली भी मेरी इतनी तारीफ कर पाती गाइस. मतलब ऐसा, मतलब ये सुन के ना आई गॉट इमोशनल. मुझे ऐसा 2 मिनट के लिए लगा शायद मैं मोहित
तारीफ
होता.
करूंगी. घर चलते हैं तो मैं आपकी बाबू बहुत तारीफ करूंगी.
Oh, wow, Bugs. Well done.
sweet,
That was
thanks.
so good.
पैसे भेजिए.
Next.
Gift.
कैसे भेजें?
GP.
हमारी तरफ से गिफ्ट.
All right, guys. Hi, this is Steffi Kingham. Steffi Sofitel Novotel Tadlenzen Kingham. That's her surname. With Hiranandani now, that's a bigger surname. Steffi is somebody who walked into my life and made me realize what love actually is. Before I even met her, everybody kind of had a clue about me. I was a musafir.
Oh wow.
है ना, सब जगह थोड़ा प्यार, हाँ, थोड़ा प्यार सब जगह से मिलता था. But it's after I met Steffi is when I realized what the true definition of love is. Steffi is one of those overtly loving people. In case you happen to become friends with Steffi, be ready to get a lot of motherly kind of love. No, it's just something that you have. Steffi is somebody who will look after you like you're their firstborn child. Again, Steffi loves old people. And she loves
There's a
her
lot
friends.
of old guys.
Yeah, she loves. I think.
She loves old people, as we know. She loves Rushan.
हाँ, Steffi can. If you want to make Steffi emotional, you send her a video of an old man or an old auntie just even talking. She'll cry. That's Steffi. Yeah, I know.
Oh.
That's Steffi for you. And yeah, or kya? And I'm her husband.
Yeah, they are husband wife. They met on Splitsvilla.
No.
I was never.
No, oh, sorry. I thought that's Steffi. Oh, sorry, that's my bad. Sorry, guys.
That Steffi's also married now.
There are two Steffis, guys. Can you clear about that?
Yeah, so I was with a girl called Steffi who was on Splitsvilla, and when I came out of Splitsvilla, I met Steffi before that, but we started dating properly after I came back from Splits. And have you all seen Ajnabi?
Yeah.
Movie. Yeah.
You know how Bobby Deol types the password ladar and then
अच्छा,
turns
मतलब
the
वो
computer.
swap
हाँ वही
वाला,
वाला. पर उसपे वो computer में password type करता है, उसे घुमा देता है and फिर आता है. Everything is planned.
Yes, it was planned.
It was okay, yeah.
Yeah, so I have. If you Google my name, there's a lot of questions where did Steffi get a plastic surgery from?
Really?
Steffi before and after.
Yeah.
Yeah, people think I did a surgery and changed my face.
Okay, so
Oh,
do you
that's-
think that you are
It's
the
the
same Steffi जो Splitsvilla में थी, guys? नहीं, ये अलग Steffi है. इन्होंने
I'm different.
बिल्कुल भी प्लास्टिक सर्जरी नहीं कराई है.
Nothing.
हमारी स्टोरी आपकी स्टोरी से काफी सिमिलर है.
Yeah.
इन सेंस लाइक कि हमने सो वी स्टार्टेड आवर डिजिटल करियर विद स्प्लिट्स, है ना. उसके बाद हम कपल बने एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड सीइंग अस, लविंग अस, जो भी है, हेटिंग अस, फ्रॉम हेट टू लव एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, क्योंकि ये सोशल मीडिया का पार्ट एंड पार्सल है. एंड सेम एग्जैक्टली आप लोगों का भी जो प्यार है वो bloom
तू हरामी
करता
था,
है
मैं
social
हरामी
media
था. Same यार, same.
हाँ, natural भाषा में ये.
Yeah, same.
बट हाउ डू यू मैनेज, मतलब क्या कि वो जो आपके अच्छे मोमेंट्स होते हैं, फन मोमेंट्स होते हैं, आपका इंस्टाग्राम भरा हुआ है फन मोमेंट से, ये सारी चीजें ऑफ कैमरा कितना अलग है मोहित?
Off camera, I'm funnier.
हाँ.
ऑफ कैमरा मैं ऑन कैमरा मैं अपने आप को बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देता हूँ in saying certain things, in doing certain things. I can assure you, whatever you see on camera, and if you find that crazy, I'm 10 times crazier.
You
What we
tell
put on.
Steffi, what do you think कि जो ये रियलिटी शोज में थे और उसके बाद अभी जो आपके साथ रहे हैं, रिलेशनशिप में रहे हैं, शादी हो गई है, सब कुछ हो गया, उसके बाद क्या डिफरेंस था जो आपने देखा था टीवी पे और अभी मोहित?
टीवी देखा था?
देखा तो था. I
पहला
mean,
question.
because the first thing is, so when he went to Splits, we were still talking and he didn't tell me. He just vanished.
He
met you
ghosted.
before- He ghosted.
Why?
No, it's like we were
That's your
talking.
heart hack?
No,
To
we
ghost
were-
someone?
I'll tell you this story. We were talking to each other, but we were dating different people at that point.
Oh,
But
wow.
We were talking to each other. And suddenly, so we didn't have each other's numbers. We used to only talk on Snapchat.
Okay. That I think Snapchat is
I
a very
really
nice
don't think
place
this
जहाँ
this
पर-
needs to go out on camera, but
But Snapchat
Yeah,
is a
yeah.
place जहाँ पर अपनी conversation save नहीं होती, it's delete.
Yeah.
So there's like a
my point is
secret
when you're saying the conversation, say the whole thing. Like don't give bits and bits, because then it gets
तो वो आप
fuckers.
पूरे करो, आप बताओ.
No, go on with the story.
No, so I mean, we were talking to each other.
Yeah.
Of course, there was like a little liking, but we always had that respect that we were dating other
Yeah.
people. And eventually, suddenly I got to know that Mohit is going for Splits. बोला भी नहीं कि he's going for Splits. ठीक है, चलो ठीक है. Then he left. He went for Splits, and then from there he went back to Calcutta. And of course, he had somebody in Calcutta. I don't know, so he was there. And
ठीक है, पिछली बार तो मैं मिट्टी पा दूँ.
whatever. And I was in Bombay and I was living my own life. And then suddenly Splits came on TV. And then because we all know him, because
Yeah.
the people that I used to live with, we all knew him. We used to party together. And also we were watching. And I'm like, acha, acha.
अब पोल खुली.
Huh. But then that was
Oh.
a little boy that I saw on TV. Like, you know,
Oh.
when you have these young, you would know, young boys who just there to have fun. And
No, he is.
But I like what she
No,
said.
just there to
Old and young, I love it.
No, it's just that, you know,
Hello.
when you're at that age, you
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
look for anything serious. You're whatever.
He's like नहीं, अब मैं बोलूँगा.
मेरे को I need my lawyer. Hold on. Please forgive Steffi. She's not PR trained. Okay. No. I'll tell you. So
And that's what unfiltered is.
No,
यार.
I'll tell you
That is
honestly.
what
सोच के नहीं
it is.
बोलना.
And Steffi, you're doing the right thing.
No. Of course, we'll still stick to the same story. But we've also said this out everywhere.
Yeah.
So there's no filtering this. But if there's a new person watching it, and how we know how snowflakey everybody has gotten, how everybody gets really offended at small things. I'll just put it this way. I didn't tell about Splits because मुझे ऐसा डर था कि मैं 1-2 एपिसोड में आउट हो जाऊंगा.
हाँ
तो बेइज्जती से बचने के लिए बोला यार
पता है मैंने भी यही किया था दैट्स ट्रू मैंने भी अपने डिजाइनर को किया उसने बोला 30 डोम आउटफिट पैक कर दिए मैंने कहा कौन पे कर रहा है कह रहा सर आप मैंने कहा 2 भेजो 2 से ज्यादा तो मैं टिक ही नहीं सकता
मैं genuinely नहीं expect किया था that I'll survive on that game show. So I didn't tell her. We were talking to each other because we were dating other people and we weren't really happy.
Okay.
And for some reason our partners didn't want to let go.
That's a toxic relationship.
हाँ, मतलब-
when you are not happy. and-
नहीं मतलब even they were not happy.
आई ट्रस्ट मी मेरे
You
साथ
were
अभी भी
happy.
लोग
No,
let
even
go
they
नहीं
were
कर
no,
रहे हैं
So
Both the partners were not
हाँ
happy.
but वो हो गया था कि नहीं अब हम साथ हैं इतने सालों से तो
But
we
मेरे से
have to
छोड़ा
stay
नहीं जा रहा
together.
नहीं.
हाँ.
हाँ, I can relate to that.
So that's when we found solace in each other and we started talking. Solace, correct word? We found solace in each other. We started talking, and we realized, you know, कि
I think that's a beautiful thing because you never know. It's like वही जो शाहरुख खान ने कहा है.
हरामी था मैं. No beautiful thing.
Like-
I can't
नहीं,
sugarcoat
I was
this.
coming like कि people judge basically a lot
हाँ
on these
मतलब
kind
मुझे
of
देखो
situations.
मेरा तो 6 दिन का सिर्फ नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट था लोग जज करते हैं भाई क्या कर सकते हैं प्यार एक ही सोचता
People
है
judge on a lot of situations like this and मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आप जिंदगी में कितनी भी आपकी उम्र हो जाए you are not sure about things in your life.
Yeah.
And you never know कि वो कोई जो आपका पार्टनर है बंदा है बंदी है वो आपके लिए सही है या नहीं जब तक आप उसके साथ कुछ बातें नहीं करते दिन नहीं बिताते you never get to know कि if that person is right for you not. अभी पहले के ज़माने में होता था एंड उस टाइम पे सिचुएशंस अलग होती थी लोग एडजस्ट कर लेते बट आज की जनरेशन एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाती एंड व्हेन यू आर नॉट हैप्पी इन द रिलेशनशिप यू नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट एंड फाइंड अ पर्सन हु यू कैन लव एंड हु लव यू
Yeah, exactly.
ट्रू गाइस देख लो ये क्या हिंट दे रही है
नहीं exactly. उस टाइम वही है कि उस टाइम मेरे को जल्दी खुशी मिलती नहीं थी वही the difference बस हाँ.
या मतलब देयर वाज नो वन दैट
There
कैन
was no happy
satisfy
ending.
I was naive, man. I was 23, 24 years old.
There was nobody who actually made us feel ki yeah, this is what love,
Love
is.
is.
Because it was very, there was love, but there was also a lot of toxic thing in it. So
Yeah.
it was like hi Anna. We never like confirmed ki yeah, this is the person that you know I would want to spend the rest of my life.
कि हमारे केस पे आई थिंक इवन हमें वो श्योरिटी मिला दैट वी वांट टू बी विद ईच अदर वाज ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन.
Oh.
उसके पहले वी डेटेड फॉर गुड 2-3 years. But those 2-3 years we were like best friends, right? Lockdown was when it got clear to us that हाँ यार I want to marry my best friend.
प्यार दोस्ती है
हाँ.
Because we were living with each other under one roof 24 hours. Like you couldn't even step out of the house. You couldn't do anything. So you were doing घर का काम साथ में, you were cooking साथ में.
कौन करता था ज्यादा काम
मैं तो ये लोग करते होंगे आई सॉरी
तो करता है।
बहुत
3 महीने में एक बार उठेगा पूरा घर की
मैं-
सफाई करेगा वो 3 महीने तक रैंट करेगा कि मैंने सफाई किया
नहीं मैं
Classic
बस
boy.
इतना बोलना चाहूँगा रोशाली उस दिन मैं घर आया था you were not there. पानी मैं खुद लेके आया हूँ मतलब
You tell us about your story of you getting married because मैंने देखा आपकी 3 बार शादियाँ हुई है guys 3 बार शादियाँ एक ही इंसान से
मैं तो और बार कर लूँ यार मुझे तो निकाह भी पढ़ना
नहीं
है.
बट पता है इससे पहले इस पे क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं मैंने बहुत ही अच्छा अपने दिमाग के हिसाब से एक रिफ्रेश किया था क्वेश्चन हाउ मोहित व्हाट अ प्लेयर बिकेम द जेंटलमैन एंड गॉट 3 टाइम सो मोहित ने स्प्लिट्स में जितने रिलेशन बदले हैं उतने मैंने अपने पॉडकास्ट में नाइट शूट भी नहीं बदले
I was naive.
बदले
Our dope session में added you connection.
Yeah, is it? मैंने
और
देखा नहीं
इसको
है।
हेट नहीं मिली मैं एक
हेलो इसलिए तो बोलते हैं ना
What a player.
यार नहीं जेंटलमैन तो हमेशा था मैं इसलिए बार आई कुड स्विच पार्टनर्स आल्सो एंड विदाउट पिसिंग एनीबॉडी ऑफ.
मास्टरमाइंड
Of course उस पे भी आएंगे
नहीं जेंटलमैन में हमेशा था.
अरे his problem was whoever he was with, they were getting out.
हाँ और मेरे को आगे जाना है यार अब वो मेरे को मिला था जैसे स्प्लिट्स फिल्म में जो व्हाट अ प्लेयर वाला टाई वाज बिकॉज़ I've always been a gentleman यार and why I wanted to marry her thrice was because ये genuinely ये this is not to fake anything but genuinely मुझे ना स्टार्टिंग से ना ये डिफरेंट शादी करने की शौक थी. मतलब I wanted to do the Hindu Christian. I also wanted to do the nikah. I also wanted to do the gurdwara and I also really wanted to do the Hawaiian wedding जहाँ पे लोग फूल पत्ते में आते हैं. मेरे को वो भी करना था. बट
तो फिर हवाई वाली की
नहीं अभी तक मैंने सिर्फ 3 ही किया है गुरुद्वारा और
no money left for any more शादी.
गुरुद्वारा और
sponsors.
निकाह पढ़ना है मेरे को
नहीं, but I think we did our court marriage because we first decided that हम court marriage कर लेते हैं, and then शादी like the functions and all
Yeah.
we'll see. Otherwise we won't do that. We'll use that same money and kind of
to
either
go travel,
whatever.
yeah.
I think that's a better
Yeah, so
thing.
so our parents were like, yeah, you all should.
You should.
Very nice. Saving money, very nice. Of course, do the court marriage. So we did the court marriage. And then after the court marriage, 2 months later, our parents were like,
पर ताम झाम तो
church
चाहिए।
नहीं किया तो फिर शादी तो शादी
शादी नहीं
है
हुई
ना,
ऐसे,
अगर फेरे
हाँ।
नहीं लिए तो शादी तो शादी नहीं. Then we went, then we were like,
but
ठीक है,
good
ठीक है.
decision है I mean
Yeah,
because
we had
more than us मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ ये everybody you guys also have you ever attended a white wedding like a Christian wedding
I have one.
you should it's the most
beautiful.
fun fucking wedding ever
I like the thing जब वो ना चेयर के ऊपर बिठाते हैं दोनों पार्टनर्स को अलग अलग and then they I think there's some game or something.
अलग-अलग
a
games
lot of
खेलते हैं
so
यार।
every- It's all different.
अच्छा अच्छा
अभी
गेम शो
अलग अलग गेम्स होते हैं
हाँ,
भाई
game
एक था where I had to take out you know her hairband from her thigh और and I'm blindfolded और फिर उसमें ना अंकल लोग आके बैठ जाएंगे कोई और बैठ जाएगा तो you have to मतलब you put your face
Head
up and realize
inside.
कि क्या किसी का बाल है तो किसी का कुछ आ रहा है मतलब other
Okay,
weddings
हमें समझ में आ रहा है अभी आपको क्यों बोल
other weddings also did
But मिला,
had
hair
warned
band
me.
मिला?
हाँ I knew exactly who's dressed to go up
Okay guys, so we have a first game
oh
which we want to play with you all.
okay
नहीं नहीं nothing to scared.
Nothing to be scared of. It's called We Listen and We Don't Judge.
okay
We listen, we don't judge.
We don't judge. Okay. So पहले हम लोग बताएंगे करके that me and her should play this game once. Okay, so I'll start it. So ठीक है. So I feel that if I would have gone to Roadies without you, I would have been selected.
we listen and we
We
don't
don't
judge
Yeah, it's true. And
Yeah,
so,
already,
yeah.
that's so
Yeah, why
cute. And you remember जो तूने मेरे को प्लेन में सरप्राइज दिया था,
कौन सा?
प्लेन वाला एंगेजमेंट सरप्राइज दिया था. मुझे हर डिटेल ना मेरे मेल में आ रही थी.
we listen
We listen and we don't judge.
But how?
I had mail
My
attached.
mail
ना.
ID, how?
अरे वो attached था ना मेरे साथ.
You had my email ID
We
on
listen
your
and we
phone.
don't judge.
So you knew it.
Yeah. I'm
You
That is
knew
so
it.
bad.
Oh my god.
no but he's kept it a secret,
secret.
that's a
yeah,
good
that's
thing
cute.
that's sweet
It's alright. Okay, so you saw the example and now you go on.
I have ordered a lot of clothes online with your card, and when it comes, I say it's a collaboration. I didn't pay for it.
How
it's a
much? We
collaboration.
want to know the number.
We listen, we don't judge.
No, we want to know, just know the number.
see I know Blinkit is
No,
one
no.
I have this weakness for clothes,
Yeah.
and it's like jab bhi I get money from anywhere, I will buy clothes first. I have this weakness. I can't.
Oh,
I'll
nice.
try that
That's cute.
with his card.
so when my accountant asks me what is this and I say I don't know
I don't know.
no now I know
We listen, we don't
Sorry,
judge.
yeah, don't judge me.
Okay, now your turn.
Damn, you won't believe me anymore.
I genuinely don't have
You don't have a secret.
I don't मतलब आज भी तो I came and told you what happened in the gym
What happened in the gym? Carry on.
Say, let them not judge you, no?
Yeah, what happened in the gym now? Next
No,
conversation.
There's a girl that came.
yeah,
and,
मतलब,
like,
I just
checking
came
out
and told
Moin.
The
her
day I didn't go to the gym, one
I just
girl
came and
to the
told
gym.
her. I said there was this girl in the gym, and it's crazy how 1 hour she spent only on stretching. Like I finished off my whole workouts and
Yeah.
everything, and with my stretching, fetching
And
stuff.
she's
Why
good.
were you looking at her stretching?
Yeah,
भाई
that's the point. We
She-
know
भाई-
particularly 1 घंटे वो आई उसने
क्यों
stretching
1 घंटा
किया
मैं
और
workout
मैं
किया ना?
उसको देख रहा था.
बाकी सब है, we listen, we don't judge.
नहीं एक
And-
सेकंड इसमें
but-
judge
ये
listen
judge
judge
but
मैं 1
is
घंटा
she
मैं
hot?
वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ
I didn't see the girl, so I don't know.
I haven't.
You wanna?
I
इसको
also
number दे
can't
दो.
remember
इसको नंबर दे दो. नाम पता
Very
सब.
safe. What a player.
We listen, we don't judge, guys.
Anyways.
And अगर किसी की तारीफ हो रही है तो अच्छे से करे. मेरा ये मानना है जिंदगी में. When you were in splits,
Yeah,
मतलब
you should
आपकी
answer.
जर्नी की बात करता हूँ कि अगर आप splits में थे जब, so was that time आपको भी इतना टॉक्सिक सोशल मीडिया देखना पड़ता था कि हर एपिसोड के बाद there are few reviews that are coming.
यार उस टाइम इंस्टाग्राम अगेन अभी जितना हाइप्ड अप अभी है उतना उस टाइम था नहीं.
था नहीं.
It was
But
very new at that
it was very new and nahi, but we were getting reviewed. We were also being trolled. We were also being said, you know, we were also being told कि ये ऐसा करना चाहिए था. Mohit is doing this. Mohit is this. But it really depends on how you perceive it and who's making money at the end of the day.
Right.
है ना? While I was doing the show and वहाँ पे 50% of my my notion about reality shows was cleared. And after I saw the show, the final edit, the other 50% was clear. Reality shows, it's sad, but reality shows aren't really real. When I say it's not real, I don't mean कि हमें scripts मिलता है.
हाँ, नहीं, scripted
किसी को
नहीं.
script नहीं मिला था, मुझे भी नहीं मिला था. But it's
The
made in
narrative
a
that's it.
yeah, they set a narrative for you.
Yeah.
जो उसके हिसाब से आप जो decisions लेते हो वो उसी हिसाब से बनता है show.
Right.
So even if you were not selected for the show, it's because they probably felt they couldn't play a new narrative with you and him.
Maybe.
ठीक है? It has nothing to do with your fitness. Roadies में बहुत से contestants गए हैं जो fit नहीं हैं. Not just this Roadies, other Roadies also.
Yeah.
Splitsvilla में भी बहुत से contestants गए हैं जो fit नहीं होते. ठीक है? बहुत से contestants गए हैं जो who've been in a relationship also. I was in a relationship when I went to Splits. I took proper permission from my girlfriend. She said, yeah, I mean, we're not happy either way, so might as well just do something out of your life and then let's see. It's not thing, right? So that solves your problem
Yeah.
of whether you should
No, I
feel
get
bad or whatever. वहाँ हो गया. Coming to your question, troll होते थे हाँ यार मतलब but वही था ना कि how much will I let it affect me?
No, but my point is कि like अभी जैसे स्प्लिट्सविला में कपल बनते थे, उस टाइम से ये शो ही ऐसा है जिसमें कपल आते हैं. कुछ लोग मोनेटाइज के लिए आते हैं कि कंटेंट से कमा लेंगे. कुछ
करते हैं लोग
है
बट
ना?
मैं नहीं कर पाया भाई
हाँ,
कभी.
क्योंकि तब इंस्टाग्राम नया आया था.
नहीं मैं अभी भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा वो.
हाँ.
मतलब if
Because
again probably call me old school but I personally feel why fake it? I mean love is one of the purest things to be there. Why ruin that?
हाँ बट यही है कि कुछ लोग तो मोनेटाइज कर लेते हैं, कुछ लोग सच में प्यार में होते हैं बट बाहर का रिलेशनशिप सोशल मीडिया और ये सारी चीज़ों की वजह से टूट जाते हैं. एंड देन जो एक फैन बेस बनता है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर एक हर्षाली का फैन बेस है, अगर हर्ष और रुशाली अलग होते हैं सो कुछ रुशाली के फैंस हो जाते हैं, कुछ हर्ष के होते हैं एंड दे स्टार्टेड लाइक फाइटिंग, गंदी चीज़ें बोलना, ये चीज़ें बोलना, ये सारी
पर
चीज़ें
वो आप
करना.
लोग की लुकआउट नहीं हुई ना.
नहीं वही मैं ये कह रहा हूँ. सो क्या उस टाइम भी
होते थे
ऐसा होता था?
होते थे.
But I think now the way
It's get very toxic.
now the way it is, it was not as bad. Like people.
It
we
was
have
always
more
it was
now, I
always
think
bad.
it's more bad.
It's just the no. It was always bad. It's just the quantity of people have increased.
हाँ.
मतलब there is more people doing it now.
And
पहले
now
थोड़े
people, I
कम लोग
feel
थे
like-
but
At least I feel last time, I mean during y'all's time, that was like 5-6 years ago, 7 years ago,
8,
8 years ago.
7, 8 yeah.
People still would hesitate to say things. There was still amount of people that would hesitate to say. There were people who were saying it, but there were also
वही ना
section
बाबू,
of people
quantity
who
बढ़
hesitated.
गए.
हाँ, when his splits was on, and then later on people got to know that we were dating. There was this page that somebody, I still don't know who the owner of that page was. They started this page called Splitsvilla
Verse.
10.
10,
I think
okay.
Splitsvilla 10 or something like that, and they were trolling everybody who was on that show.
Splitsvilla verse I loved. I loved
I
that.
love
page.
her. Yeah. She's great.
They were trolling everybody, and then they started with me also. That time I was flying, I was a flight attendant, and they started picking up things with my job and stuff like that and posting it online. And I was like, this is unnecessary. At that point, that was also new to me because I'm not from this industry.
Yeah.
I didn't step foot in this industry. Why are you pulling me into it? Right? So, and then I gave it back to her in such a nice way that we became friends. But I still don't know who she was. Like, I've never met her or anything. That sometimes I get scared to tag my own mom and dad in stories or pictures because I'm like, कौन जाके उनको क्या बोल देगा, and they're not used to it.
बट जब आप फ्लाई करते थे तो आई थिंक अकाउंट प्राइवेट होता है या पब्लिक
नहीं,
का?
my account was always public. Like I was always वैसे तो I mean when we met, you had कितना, like I was always like a social.
When we met, how cunningly she trying to put it. When we met, how many followers you had? 700 ना. I had 24,000.
I had 25.
25,000.
So I have 25,000 followers.
How many do you have now?
Oh, it's all right.
That's
But
okay.
she
मेरे भी
had
गिर रहे,
more
मेरे
in
मेरे
the
बहुत बुरी तरह
start.
गिर रहे भाई.
But yeah, so I was always like, I loved clicking pictures, posting, like, because I used to fly, so I used to fly to a lot of international places also. So I used to click pictures and all. So I think people loved that, so they followed me for that reason. But then after people
You're
got
also
to
you're also very good looking, Steffi.
Yeah,
I said you're also very good
Very
looking.
good looking.
that's why people follow. Of
यही
course.
तो सुनना होता है हमें.
But जैसे आपके साथ पहली बार जब ऐसा हुआ, so when was the first time you posted a picture with me?
Yeah, when was it? Like
We
your
never-
first Instagram picture.
भाई हम सोशल मीडिया में क्या बोलता है?
शादी के बाद है?
नहीं पागल है क्या? मैं तो पहले ही आ गया था. बट मैं हम MTV के उससे डर से नहीं थे भाई. मैं तो डर तो खौफ तो मुझे अपनी एक्स का था. But I never really cared about you know कि no I was कि you know कि things might just get ugly where you know she'll probably get dragged in and all of that.
अच्छा हमारे सीजन में नहीं थे तो आपकी एक साल.
अरे भाई मैं बोला तो था इसको. If anyway sorry coming back.
Zoned out.
I don't think
we
I
posted our first picture, I think somewhere in November or December or something like that.
हाँ मतलब I didn't
2017.
we didn't care. I
just-
mean a lot of people
But
had
people
told
got
me.
to know उससे पहले only. Like there were pages who were
proposed who?
Of course.
Steffi proposed to you.
No, मैंने तो
नहीं
board
वो
वाली
तो
देखी
प्रॉपर वो तो दूसरा वो तो प्रॉपर प्रपोजल फॉर मैरिज
See,
था.
we are
This is
girls
Mohit's-
here breaking all the stereotypes.
This is
लड़कियां
Mohit's
भी
favorite-
propose कर सकती है लड़कों को पहले. Yeah,
This
that
is
was
Mohit's
Mohit's
favorite story. So basically, we really liked each other and stuff, and I knew that he liked me. I also liked him and stuff. But वो था, we had just come out of our previous relationships, and just to let you guys know, we were not dating two people at the same time.
Yes, yeah.
We never ever did
They
that.
just liked each other.
Yeah, we never did
भाई
that.
कोई भी नहीं कर सकता. कोई भी नहीं.
So we
दो
had
लड़कों को एक साथ
experience से
handle
बोल
करना
रहा
is
हूँ.
very difficult, guys.
इसके एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रहा था.
But anyway,
So mean, huh?
so we broke up with our respective partners at that point, and then we were again talking to each other and stuff. And I really liked him, but we were still scared कि दोबारा ना हो ऐसे or whatever. We didn't want to spoil what we had. But I think it came to a point where I really liked him, and I said, let me just tell him.
No, there was a lot of talking involved. There was always a lot of did you eat, did you not eat, where
Yeah,
are
we were
you,
like,
I'm
we were
here.
like dating but not dating. Like,
Yeah. Like
मतलब
conversation.
बहुत हो रहा था यार.
बहुत.
मतलब
Caring.
मैं हगने भी जा रहा हूँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं हगने आया हूँ अभी. You know it was like that.
That's so.
So I was
That's called your comfort zone.
हाँ.
so I realized, I said, let me tell him. So I went up to him
हाँ.
one day and said ki I like you a lot and stuff. And he was like, what? And then he was very scared to get into a relationship. He was very scared ki nahi, this will not work. We don't know. Dekho kya hua hamare sath pehle, this that and all. And then he started ignoring me.
Ooh.
Did you?
मुझे I was genuinely scared that we might just ruin the beautiful relation that we had back
Of
then.
course.
You know, it was very pure. ठीक है. मतलब
फिर उसके बाद I was like कि ठीक है, मतलब I tried a lot, फिर नहीं हुआ. He was like कि नहीं, I don't know, I'm not sure. तो I was like, now बाहर में, now get out. So one night, like for me, it's always
Yeah.
been that one instance where I make that decision, and nothing like with all my decisions,
Oh, nice.
it's been that
And
way.
later
कि
he
I
did
will just make a decision, I'll not
realize.
look back. So I tried and नहीं हुआ, and then I made that decision, and I said now, you're out.
Get lost.
Get lost.
Don't
Aankheं
talk
band.
to me, don't ever think. And he was chilling in somebody's house that night, and I said, don't talk to me
रन
ever.
सर के घर.
किसके?
रन सर के घर.
He
अच्छा.
was chilling, and he messaged me, did you eat food? And I'm like, go to hell, like don't ask me all this, don't talk to me only, I don't want to see your face, I don't want to talk to
drunk
you.
text.
So, and I did I block? No, I didn't block him, I just stopped talking to him or something like that, and I stopped replying to his messages.
कर देते ब्लॉक.
In
अच्छा.
that
सुबह आ
was
जाते. सुबह आ जाते ना घर.
वही हुआ.
है ना?
6 o'clock in the morning. He
Oh.
has rung the bell, then called me saying, please open the door. And I'm like, why are you at my house at 6 in the morning? And then he was like, no, don't do this. And then
No, don't do that. भीख मांगने नहीं आता. No, don't do this. नहीं, listen. It was way more romantic. You're making it sound like a creep.
हाँ.
कि आ गया 6 बजे मेरे घर पे. I came at 6.
Guys,
Messaged you.
6 बजे कोई आएगा बिन बुलाए सुबह घर पे नॉक करेगा वो तो दूध वाला ही होता है.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं पहले टेक्स्ट किया था मंडे और बिल्डिंग, आई वांट टू टॉक,
हाँ ये मिसिंग
यू अवेक,
बट ये होता है
ये सब
मैं
कौन बोला?
नहीं, नहीं, मैं
आया
Steffi के
हुआ
side में
घंटे
हूँ
मारा
इस
आ गया, ऐसे नहीं किया आया था बब्बू,
but I was sleeping
पीपल तो
that
क्या
and you
कितना
came
बड़ा
and
क्रीप है.
creep you.
पे ये रुशाली भी यही करती है. मैं एक दिन ये चली गई
No,
गुस्सा
no,
आके एंड ये आके घंटियां मार रही है ये, सो सेम थिंग वाज माय
मैंने
रिएक्शन.
कब घंटियां
She's a
मारी, हम
creep,
एक ही
bro.
घर में रहते हैं. हेलो
ओह
कौन थी वो लड़की जिसकी
अरे
घंटियां
नहीं,
तू
जब मैं
मारा
दूसरे
था?
घर पे था, जब तू मेरे से लड़के आ गई थी, याद नहीं, तू बैंड्रा गई थी और उसके बाद वापस आ गई
आपको
मेरे
पता है
दोस्त से
हमारे साथ क्या
लेके.
हुआ था जब हम पहले दूसरे घर में रहते थे? we used to live separately.
So I was also
So
like,
one day
so
we
what
had an argument fight, ठीक है, whatever. He left the house, ठीक है. अब मुझे इसके घर का एड्रेस नहीं पता, कुछ भी नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं पता ये कहाँ रहता है. I
वो मौका था,
literally
भाग जाना चाहिए था.
ये चला गया कर चुके, and I am very like पता नहीं मेरे को कुछ हो जाता है, I can't. ठीक है, तो मैं कहाँ ढूंढूं इसका एड्रेस? मैंने एक बार इसने मेरे फोन से ओला बुक करी थी, ठीक है, और उसमें मैं नीचे जाके लोकेशन ढूंढी हूँ, एंड आई हैव फ्रॉम दैट मैप जिसमें लिखा भी नहीं था नाम क्या है, बट फ्रॉम दैट मैप कि उसमें मैप में लिखा था ना जानकी देवी है, जो भी अपनी लाइंस लेन्स लिखे आ गए. आई वेंट टू हिज हाउस लाइक दैट, फाइंडिंग
My
हिज हाउस.
God.
What a creep.
And he
गुमशुदा, गुमशुदा.
मैंने बेल बजाया, मैंने कहा नहीं तू यहाँ तो एड्रेस किसने बताया?
वेवी बनाता
थोड़ा सा वेवी माहौल
पूरा
बनाते हैं.
वेवी कर देंगे.
We'll do another segment with you guys.
It's
का
called
नाम
short
है
segment.
Take a
लाओ
shot.
दारू लाओ भाई, इसी पे
नहीं,
तो आया हूँ
नहीं,
मैं
नहीं,
इधर.
हम लोग सिर्फ पानी के शॉट देते हैं. There are no
तेरी
दारू.
की.
So इस गेम का नाम है, सेगमेंट का नाम है टेक अ शॉट.
Okay.
So usually शॉट गेम में क्या होता है that you have if you don't know the answer तब आपको शॉट लेना पड़ता है. यहाँ थोड़ा उल्टा है, यहाँ आपको पहले शॉट लेना है. We'll ask you a question and just before you're gonna say the answer आपको शॉट लेके आंसर बोलना है तुरंत.
Okay.
ठीक है, मैं आपसे जैसे एग्जांपल मैंने आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा,
अगर मेरे
आप
को
answer
शॉर्ट का
सोचो.
अगर मेरे को क्वेश्चन का जवाब ही नहीं देना.
देना ही
देना
पड़ेगा.
पड़ेगा.
अच्छा,
You
अच्छा.
have-
दोनों को देना पड़ेगा.
दोनों को देना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है,
ओके. और मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा, आपको जवाब सोच लो, टेक अ शॉट एंड देन स्पिल इन लाइक 1 सेकंड. ओके.
Spill the answer, man. Not the drink.
या दारू भी
Yeah, I think we-
फील लाइक नहीं.
Yeah, my answer is.
ओके.
Okay.
आर यू रेडी?
Yeah, I don't think so.
एंड यू हैव टू सिप द होल थिंग.
Now you're pushing it.
अभी तो बोला.
अभी push हो रहा है अभी. हाँ अभी.
ये सिर्फ शॉट्स बोलने के लिए, बड़ी पानी के शॉट्स.
हाँ हमारे चेहरे से देख लेना.
इज वेरी
Vinegar.
हाइड्रेटिंग. वी डोंट
हमारे चेहरे पे पता चल जाएगा क्या शॉट है.
Vinegar.
विनेगर शॉट.
So let's do it.
Okay. First question to Steffi. Your friend showed your husband your old intimate pictures with your ex. What would be your reaction? How? At least how? Okay.
Maybe AI, not me.
Best. यार ये तो मैं तब से सोच रहा था इसका क्या आंसर होगा. Best.
मैं प्यार में इतना अंधा हो गया हूँ. मेरे को पता क्या बोलना था. बोला Steffu say you could say the pictures are with me because you're married to me. Ex boyfriend हो गया ना, वो तो ex boyfriend हो. मैं ऐसा इंसान मर्द ना प्यार में पागल हो जाता है भाई. ये समझ में आ गया. मैं समझ में आ गया
भाई हम मर्द है ना,
हमारे साथ ऐसे ही होता है भाई.
नाक बंद करके पी लो.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Baby
Next
AI.
question to you. Okay, you find a dating app on your wife's phone. How would you?
प्यार में पागल वाला आंसर मत देना.
I might.
She's right here. Tell her.
Yeah, I might download a dating app myself.
इसका आंसर मैं भी दूंगा.
हाँ?
उसको बस पीना है.
नहीं, it's vinegar good for your throat. मैं कहेंगा चल बेबी साथ में आते लोगों.
Fair ना?
Fair?
Fair.
Fair.
I mean, we'll first have the
Catfishing.
conversation.
Yeah.
We'll first
Have
have the.
that conversation with her.
But what is this dating app? Can you explain to me?
It's Bumble डाल.
फिर तुम बोलेगा AI है तो हम नहीं मानेगा. हम पहले बोल दे रहे हैं. I can see it. I can read your chats right now.
अच्छा chats भी हो गए.
तो of course,
तो-
the dating
That
app
means
is-
I'm cheating, no? Then.
Yeah, तुम dating app लेके क्या करेगा?
But dating app install करने
ऐसा
से
मेरे साथ
cheating
हुआ
थोड़ी
है.
होता है.
Okay.
नहीं, पर आप
The
dating app
guy
लेके
was
करेगा
dating,
क्या?
उसके मोबाइल में थे.
बहुत ही
dating app.
गंदी बात है. It's more than अपराध from cheating.
Of course.
No, sorry, just for my knowledge. अगर आपके फोन में dating app है और आप बोल रहे हैं कि आप cheat नहीं कर रहे तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं dating app लेके?
वही ना, I don't know because I would not download it. I've never
That's a
downloaded it. When I was
situation.
single, I never downloaded
Maybe मैं
dating
अपने
app.
song promote कर रहा हूँ
क्या dating
कि
app
हाँ
है?
ये मेरे Instagram है, go and check out.
Fair.
लोग करते हैं.
Such a good
Yeah, I think if I'm at that stage where I've downloaded a dating app and I'm talking to people,
Might as well
then
end
I'm
it.
not happy. Yeah, then I would just
Yeah.
be like, I would have actually had that conversation before going that far.
But there are people who just download the apps and
No, but I've-
directly-
और guys
If you want- if you-
डेटिंग ऐप में और मानते नहीं है
No.
क्योंकि वो
That's-
वेरीफाइड नहीं है मैं स्क्रीनशॉट भेजूंगा
If you want to know this answer, genuinely, I'm saying, I've already discussed this with Steffu also. कि if ever she cheats on me, it's not gonna get ugly because
Yeah.
what I've realized is it's been so long that we've been together ना अब हमें genuinely एक दूसरे से वो आदत वाली scenario पे आ गए हम because we've been
Yeah.
living in for so long and then we've been married and we share everything.
Right.
So now if we reach that stage ever, I hope we never reach that stage, but it'll not be a
It won't be ugly.
हाँ कि
It won't be ugly.
fuck I can't fucking believe this. No.
We have not reached there. Don't worry.
It takes
We
a
have
while,
not.
bro. It takes a
Yeah.
while, bhai. But she knows it.
साला हरामी अभी से ऐसे.
I'll probably
इग्नोर
walk out and
Okay.
find another
Your
partner.
question. Take your shot glass.
ये रहा वही है.
If your partner shares your private moments with everyone.
That I anyway do. I anyway do. My best friends are
Let
best
her
friends.
answer no. It's
Sorry,
her.
sorry. Oh.
Again.
Again.
So, like he said, so we have our best friends who know everything about us, every single thing,
Okay.
and we don't hide anything from them. So for him,
We
saying
should, you know. Sometimes some things we should, but I don't.
we are
It's
not
just-
the kind of people. We tell them everything. So it's like if he's saying something, then I'll add to it and say something more. So that's how we don't.
So it's
इतना
like
नहीं है.
okay and common
Yeah.
your
Yeah,
thing कि हाँ हम लोग ठीक है हमारे नहीं है बाबू
Hmm.
नहीं बताना
मेरे कौन है
मैं
अच्छा नहीं प्राइवेट अच्छा
वो
pro-
किसको who will
Right.
he tell?
हाँ मैं ही हूँ सिर्फ तेरी
नहीं शिवित को सब पता होता वो आके सब बग जाता उन्हें पता नहीं अपने दिमाग में बनाता है ना मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है
इसकी
भाई,
बहुत सारी चीजें ना
दोनों
शिवित
वो
के फोन में है बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमेशा वो इसको ब्लैकमेल करता है मैं बता दूं
You need to really be very close to Shivit.
या ना वो मुझे बहन बोलता है बट वो भाई जैसे काम कर नहीं रहा है वो बता नहीं रहा है मुझे
You need to be very close.
Don't worry, जो मैं कांड करके आया ना वो नेशनल टेलीविजन में ही आने हैं सारे तो वो अभी बता
वो हाँ रोडीज की
No,
नहीं
no,
रोडीज नहीं यार रोडीज में नहीं रोडीज के अलावा भी कोई शो करते हैं हम सिर्फ रियलिटी
क्या?
में करते हैं
जैसे
हमारे
कि?
पास बहुत चीज है प्यार अनफिल्टर्ड है एक और शो आ रहा है
Did you ever stalk your ex on social media after your marriage?
हाँ
I'm a scorpion.
पीके बोला है ओह वाह नाइस
तो स्कॉर्पियन नहीं करते
मैं ना बचपन से ना बहुत सारे वो जोडियाक के ऊपर नोट्स जो होते हैं जो
Yeah.
तो उसमें पढ़ लिया कि once we move on we move on.
ओह
तो वो
Guys.
तब से छप गया इधर.
बढ़िया ये बट मैं कैंसेरियन हूँ मैं अपनी जो सच में एक्स है सच
Have you ever stalked your ex?
या
Yeah.
आफ्टर मैरिज हुई नहीं ना मेरी
Who's your ex?
पीके बोलना है
हाँ?
बोलना है.
पीके बोलना है
माय एक्स वाज
Who?
यार बहुत सैड स्टोरी है माय एक्स डाइड इन एन एक्सीडेंट सो आई डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस सो आई थिंक देयर इज अ लिमिट डार्लिंग देयर इज लिमिट अदरवाइज आई विल एंड दिस थिंग
हाँ.
सो उसकी भगवान रेस्ट इन पीस आई एम सो सॉरी
We listen, we don't judge. We're back in the same game again.
क्लोज अप
Crazy.
लेना है सर क्लोज अप प्लीज सर क्लोज अप लो ये एक्सप्रेशन जो इसके लिप्स हिल रहे हैं ना स्माइल के लिए
Audition.
गाइस क्लोज अप
वे भी कर दिया यार माहौल पूरा
वाह वे भी हो गया ना ओके यू हैव एवर स्टॉक्ड योर एक्स आफ्टर मैरिज हैव यू
No, I think I'm blocked.
यू वुड हैव
हम ब्लॉक खत्म
हर्ष पता क्या करता है हर्ष स्टॉक करता है फिर बाथरूम में जाएगा बोलेगा मैं वॉशरूम
We,
जाके आ रहा हूँ आधा
we
घंटा
stalked your ex.
Which one?
You were one ex that
you guys did
we're Mike.
माइक है बस क्या बोला
ऐसे
जितना भी हम लोग बोल देना ऐसे.
जो है ना, मैं और प्रिंस भाई
Yeah.
की बात करते थे ना शो पे तो ना माइकिंग में सारी आवाज जाती है तो भाई मेरे को आके कुछ बोल रहे हैं या कोई भी ऐसी बात हो रही होती थी मतलब नॉर्मली होती थी कि है ना प्रोटीन मेरा खत्म हो गया था मैं भाई से कह रहा हूँ प्रोटीन में भिजवा दो तो मैंने हाँ मैंने कहा ये क्या करोगे अरे आवाज नहीं जाएगी ओके डू यू थिंक योर पार्टनर्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड इज अट्रैक्टिव कौन है ये
स्टेफी क्लियर
For me,
yeah
My best friend.
I think
है
my
ही नहीं
partner's
बहन
best
चोद.
friend is one of the most prettiest girls ever.
who is
AK and Shru.
okay can show
और नहीं है
मैं
Best
इसलिए तो
friend
बार बार
एक
इंस्टाग्राम
होता
में बोलता
है
हूँ
वो।
भाई मेरे को लौंडे दोस्त चाहिए सिर्फ लड़कियां हैं भाई
Oh,
मेरे
you're talking about
आसपास
guys.
है ही
guys,
नहीं
guys
girl,
are
any
best
best friend.
friend.
Any best friend who is attractive.
है ही
I mean,
नहीं.
girls
ब्यूटीफुल
are
है
good.
लड़कियां
No, but you
अट्रैक्टिव
have
का
to take a
मतलब
shot.
I took na.
Okay.
ये एक ही शॉट खत्म
ये
नहीं
एक
हुआ
ही
दूसरा है ये.
That was a short game, and I hope you are full of shots right now.
So basically जो हमारा last segment होता है उसमें हम लोग आपके fans.
This is the last segment?
Yeah, yeah. This is the last.
Thank God.
No.
No.
So basically it's something we ask your fans, है ना? So हम उनसे पूछते हैं कि आपके जो favorite हैं, उनसे आप क्या question पूछना चाहते हो?
हमारे fans हैं?
हाँ. यार हम हैं
Yes.
आपके fans.
Of course.
We are your
Like
fans.
people who are curious.
Save it for Roshali. Don't. मेरे पे भाई क्या? I'm already high on vinegar shots यार. I mean, you don't have to do this with me.
But हम सबसे question पूछते हैं.
हाँ.
So बहुत सारे questions ऐसे आए जिसमें we want to break the myth.
Okay.
So this is a segment which is called as break the myth. Like
Fun segment. Was this your idea? Break the myth, or was it Roshali's idea?
नहीं
It
it's
was
mine.
Harsh's idea.
Well, fucking done. That's a good. That's something new that I've heard.
Okay. So इसमें जैसे कुछ लड़के बोलते हैं we don't like कि मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड की एक मेल बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो, है ना? जैसे लड़कियों को भी नहीं पसंद होता. So it's like break the myth.
Okay.
So जो पहला क्वेश्चन है इसमें, how will you feel if a person is earning more money than you? Like for this is
In a
for you.
couple.
It's like एक myth है जिसमें बोलते हैं कि मेल पार्टनर्स को ना बहुत फर्क पड़ने लगता है एंड जो ईगो होती है वो कहीं ना कहीं डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती है कि शी इज अर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी एंड थिंग्स.
मैं सिंधी हूँ भाई. मेरे को the more the money the better, man. The more the money the better. I'm earning, she's earning. As long as we're
सेम
getting so much
सेम
money
सेम
in
मैं
the
पंजाबी
house.
हूँ बट मुझे अच्छा लगता है इसको डांस प्रमोशंस आते हैं, रील प्रमोशन, सॉन्ग प्रमोशन. आई एम हैप्पी टिल द टाइम घर पे पैसा आ रहा है.
हाँ यार.
एंड गाइस ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. इट्स समथिंग कि अगर आपका पार्टनर
सिर्फ
आगे
सॉन्ग
बढ़ रहा है.
प्रमोशन से नहीं आ रहा है और भी कामों से आ रहा है.
नहीं, but it's good यार.
Yeah.
Best models, hello.
ओके
Always like हर बार बोलते सॉन्ग प्रमोशन से पैसा आ रहा है. Okay, next.
ओके
आ रहा है, पैसे आ रहे हैं. That's the
पैसा
important
आ
part.
रहा है, हाँ.
Yeah.
Bottom line.
ओके.
जा ही
Yeah.
रहा है.
Do you think people can ever truly forgive cheating, or is it a deal breaker for you?
Yeah, I have forgotten my ex's cheating on me. So for me, it's not a deal breaker. But I think when you're as much as in love as I am right now with Steffi, maybe then. Because then,
It will affect you.
yeah, then it becomes a deal breaker because इस केस से मैंने सब दे दिया यार. अब अगर चीट हुआ है, अगर इसके बाद अगर मैं चीट हो रहा हूँ,
So
then
बिल्कुल
तो
destroy है.
तो फिर कुछ बाकी ही नहीं रहा.
हाँ.
You know, in my previous partners, when I sit back and I think about it now, कि okay, there's a reason why they cheated on you. I can give them the benefit of doubt कि हाँ, you know, क्योंकि मैं शायद यहाँ lack कर रहा था. इस केस से मेरे को पता है I've gone all in. You know, अब अगर anything happens, then it's just a walk away.
And
What's
what
your
about you?
thought?
It's the same for me. I've never liked or supported anybody who cheats, and it's not a good thing, of course. Especially when you're married, that is a complete no. I mean, it's a no anyway. You shouldn't be breaking anybody's trust. People who trust you, who love you, you shouldn't be breaking that. But since we're talking about us, and now that we're married, if he ever cheats on me or anything, I'm going to be shattered.
Of course.
I don't know what I would do. I would probably like switch off, change my number, run away to another city, country, and just start my own life. But yeah, that is a deal breaker for me.
सही बात है. लोग बोलते हैं ना जैसे कि प्यार बहुत बार हो जाता है. मैं बोलता हूँ इश्क एक बार होता है और एक इंसान को जब आप सब कुछ अपना दे देते हो उसके बाद उस चीज से निकलना बाहर बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
So, you have more questions from the fans?
या नहीं मैं थोड़ा सा 1 मिनट लेना चाहता हूँ. इट्स वेरी सैड. मेरे को दिल को लगा है दिस इज अ टॉपिक दैट मतलब आई डोंट शेयर इट with everyone, but this is a topic which I personally feel that's very wrong, है ना? क्योंकि 2020 was the time when I got cheated on, and I swear on God, जैसे आप बोल रहे हो ना, all in हो जाता है, चीज़ें हो जाता है. That was the time, that was a very long relationship, and सारी चीज़ें हो चुकी थी, and that was a phase in my life when मैं बहुत strong हूँ, मेरे को फ़र्क किसी से नहीं पड़ता, but वो time ऐसा आया था when I was like in my suicidal phase, जहाँ मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार बस अब इसके बाद ख़त्म हो गया यार, अब इससे ज़्यादा ना देखना है ना कुछ. मतलब जिस इंसान से आप सबसे ज़्यादा मोहब्बत करते हो, है ना, वो इंसान ही नहीं रहा, तो फिर आपके जीने का कोई वही मकसद ही नहीं है ना. सो वो जो फेज़ होता है ना, वो कहीं ना वो हिला देता. एंड आई फील दैट बिकॉज मेरे पे बीती है. दैट्स वॉज समथिंग वेरी क्लोज एंड पर्सनल फॉर मी.
I'm sorry,
ठीक है।
man.
I think he has never opened up about it.
हाँ
The
बट
first time he's opening up.
जस्ट समथिंग ना मतलब कभी कभी आपको ऐसा होता है कि यार मैं क्यों, है ना, सवाल आप खुद से भी पूछते हो मैं क्यों, क्योंकि नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप फॉर 5 6 7 8 months इट्स आप आगे निकल जाते हो, चीज़ें निकल जाते हो व्हेन योर फैमिलीज आर इन्वॉल्व, है ना, व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज इन्वॉल्व एंड सारी चीज़ें प्लेटर पे है ना, सब चीज़ें पता है, देन आपको सिर्फ उस इंसान को जवाब नहीं देना है, आप जो पीछे खड़े लोग हैं ना, चाहे वो फैमिली हो, चाहे वो फ्रेंड्स हो, चाहे जिसके साथ आप मतलब जिसके साथ बोलते हो मेरी बंदी अलग है, मेरी बंदी ऐसी नहीं है, मेरी ये नहीं है, उन सबको जब जवाब देना और जब वो उनके टॉन्ट आएंगे वो सारी चीज़ें वो ना कहीं ना टूट जाता है, चाहे कोई मजाक में बोल देता है क्या हो गया, सो वो सारी चीज़ें ना समथिंग वेरी इमोशनल बट
I'm sorry, man, but
हाँ बट हो जाता है।
I mean,
It's like moving on.
ओके सो
But-
एक
but
क्वेश्चन
you're happy now?
आई एम हैप्पी आई एम ऑलवेज हैप्पी, तो उसके बाद मैंने स्प्लिट फिल कर दिया।
perfect
और
time.
फिर उसके बाद रोटीज के
हाँ सो एक क्वेश्चन है जो लोगों का बहुत सारा है कि मतलब देयर इज अ गर्ल कॉल अंकिता जो आपकी फैन है, हमने ब्रॉडकास्ट में डाला था, एंड शी सेइंग कि हैविंग अ चाइल्ड विल स्ट्रेंथन योर रिलेशनशिप, है ना, like in marriage also. So when Mohit and Steffi are announcing it
When are
on
you
the
getting
blog,
pregnant
खुद बच्चा हूँ
together?
भाई, मैं तो खुद बच्चा हूँ.
मेरा बच्चा है तू बेटा।
खुद बच्चा हूँ यार.
I mean, when the time is right, of course, we won't hide it from people. जब भी होगा.
But have you ever like thought about it? Like,
Yeah,
Very
अभी तो
planning
छोटे भी
हो.
तो
no,
हैं
we've
लोग।
always obviously given it a thought.
Yeah.
Uh,
But I think it's always the right time. I always believe in that.
हाँ यार.
है ना?
हाँ. I think we're not 100% ready yet. We have of course, we have those thoughts. Call it! Joking. We have our thoughts. Obviously, we sit down and we discuss it at times also. But I think when we're 100% ready, वो 100% ready हम हुए नहीं अभी तक. हुए?
I don't know. I don't know if you'll ever be ready. I think when it's God's timing and when it's right, it will happen, and then I think we'll see. Because I don't think.
I think जैसे कॉफी विद करण में ऐसा होता है ना कि जो भी आते हैं लोग उनकी जब वो बोलते हैं, जब वो सोचते हैं कि हमारी
manifest हो
शादी
जाता है।
मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं शादी हो जाएगी,
Manifest
यहाँ पर बच्चे हो जाएंगे।
I have my
मैनिफेस्टेशन प्यार
polka dot
इन्वर्टर।
dress ready for my reveal.
Yeah,
जब भी होगा मैं पहन के I will reveal.
but I think personally कि ना एक तो पहली चीज ना आज के टाइम पे रिलेशनशिप संभालना, उसको निभाना, उसके बाद सारी चीजों पे रखना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
यार
उसके
आज
बाद-
के टाइम पे relationships है ही कहाँ?
हाँ, it's true.
Genuine relationship you won't
it's sad. It's frustrating how you guys are settling for such basic shit. I feel bad for y'all. There's so much love in this world. Do not settle for less, and do not make situationship and what are the other
It's a
words?
trend.
Flings.
Flings and all benching and soft launching.
Oh
All
my
that.
God,
Don't
what is
don't
I
make
have
this
no idea.
famous. It's shit.
कि दो को साइड में रख लो, एक
हाँ.
के साथ जब हो तो उसको
That's
अलग।
called
That's the
benching.
benching.
Yeah.
It's gingy. You are too
Don't.
old.
Love is beautiful, man.
I'm good
Don't
to be old. If I don't know that word, even term, I'm good to be old.
please understand. Love is beautiful. It
love is
really it.
अगर सही इंसान
प्यार
से
एक
हाँ,
एहसास।
man, it's not that difficult to not cheat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
it's actually easier to just tell the person that this is what I'm looking for. This is what I want in my relationship. Like Steffi was never my type. Steffi was never my type. I had never imagined that I would ever marry a woman like Steffi. I always liked. मेरी पसंद ही वो थी वो.
Oh, sorry.
What is wrong with you?
Vinegar.
Harshu, तेरे दिमाग कहाँ है this part?
It was like
It's not that the funny part is not the funny part is how with how seriousness he said it. He's like, yeah, not but it was always jungly billiyan. I liked.
Such a creep you are.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's all people's likings that come.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm getting it now.
Okay, so this is a question. स्टेफी के लिए है पहला कि स्टेफी मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड के ना बहुत सारी बोलता है कि लड़कियां बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, मोहित भैया की भी है. हाउ डू यू डील विद इट?
I mean, there's nothing to deal with it as such.
बट
इतना
स्टार्टिंग में जैसे स्टार्टिंग के फेज में जब आपको
I
पता
think
चला कि
when I
लड़कियां
met him, I mean that first month, Shrew and AK were already there.
तो तब आपकी
right?
तभी से दोस्त
So
है अच्छा
now you got
Oh.
comfortable with him because you know
Now
that.
so I'm talking about 2017 when I met
met
him.
met
Yeah.
हाँ.
Shrew and AK were already there with him. They were friends. They were not best friends at that point because it was very new, but they were all very close friends. They used to chill every day. This was way before.
उससे पहले कोई
anything.
लड़की दोस्त नहीं थी
I don't know,
अलाउड
but
नहीं
I
था
was
भाई
not
मेरे
there.
को
अलाउड
नहीं
अच्छा
था।
टॉक्सिक
Ex के साथ. So I've also gone through that phase where I have never been allowed to even talk to a
guy.
male person because
Huh.
my
Yeah.
ex would think otherwise. So I didn't want that. Like we said, we didn't want
Want
that.
it.
So we spoke about it, and I think we trust each other. Trust is the main factor here.
Yeah.
We trust each other so much. Ki tomorrow, I mean, he's an actor. He acts with so many people, and they
Yeah.
become friends and all. Touch wood, I've never had that thing like doubt also 1% because I know him. I've lived with him for 8 years. I know him inside, like in and out. He is just another girl with all three of us, Shrew, AK and myself. Because we just know that
Gossip
nahi hai
girl.
isme. मतलब what he was 8
what
years
a
back.
man
Harsh भी यही है same जो gossip
Yeah,
girl-
hi babe. I'm on a podcast with my wife. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Yeah, love you.
Love you too. Yeah, so I know him. I know what he's capable of. Itna to now I know. So I know he's not capable of flirting with anybody or doing anything with anybody.
मैं
इतना
भूल
तो-
गया हूँ flirting.
मुझे आती नहीं है लोग भूल जाते हैं मुझे तो
तुम्हारे
आती
तो
नहीं
जहन में तुम पैदा होगे ना खून के अंदर है तुम्हारी फ्लर्टिंग तुम बात भी दो हाय भी बोलोगे ना तो सामने वाले को लगेगा कि तुम flirt
इसलिए
कर
तो
रहे हो।
भाई न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं कि
इसलिए
तो
तो, हाँ।
रिलेशनशिप में घुस गया किसी के
5-10
साथ.
दिन बात करने पे लोगों को अगर फ्लर्टिंग लग गया है तो आई मीन
So basically, for people who think that your boyfriend cannot, how do you manage? If have that trust in your partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever, have that trust in your partner. If they don't cheat,
won't work.
good. If they do, then it was just not meant to be. You're
Yeah.
just getting to know things from before, and that helps you move on. And that's obviously not the kind of person you want to. You want to have friends. You want to have that trust. You don't want to keep thinking, oh, is my boyfriend or
वो होता है ना
whoever.
रिलेशनशिप में जैसे माय पास्ट रिलेशनशिप आई यूज्ड टू बी वरिड कि अगर कहीं वो जा भी रहा है या फिर कहीं वो है फोन नहीं उठा रहा कुछ है तो आई एम वरिड कि नहीं वो किसी के साथ होगा क्या है वो फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहा है 10 assumptions आ जाते हैं दिमाग में विद हिम आई डोंट थिंक कि आई नीड टू बी वरिड at all
Also, I feel it depends on the person. Like when I was in my past relationship, because my ex was that way, I felt like I had to also be like that. I was becoming that person because I was like, "Acha, you're stopping me now. You will also not talk. How can you?" Talk? I was that was not me, but I was becoming that person, and that's why I
Sangati ka
think
asar.
it didn't kind of thing. So that is what we spoke about, and we told each other this is not what we want. We both came out of very possessive relationships, and we didn't want that. So we spoke about it, and I think that was the first thing that we like kind of agreed on that.
Oh, that's
okay guys let's go to the last game
और
fun
एक और
segment.
मेरे को लगा खत्म हो गया भाई.
ये फन है ये फन
अच्छा.
है ये फन है
अब
ये
तक
भी
मजा
फन
नहीं
था
था.
यार मेरे
नहीं
दिन
ये
में
गलत है चिल है वो
Okay, okay,
okay so इसका नाम है she knows me not he knows me not
okay.
okay so we're gonna give you a situation we will ask you a question एक आपको इनका आंसर देना है ठीक है for example what's his favorite color ठीक है what's the favorite color you have to tell his you have to tell hers okay और अगर गलत बोला तो आपको मारना है
Okay.
अगर उन्होंने गलत बताया तो आपको कुछ बोलना नहीं आपको जस्ट यू हैव टू हिट हर हार्ड यू हैव टू हिट हिम हार्ड ओके देयर इज नो यहाँ पर इक्वालिटी कुछ नहीं सब मारो इसको
इक्वालिटी है
कुछ ऐसे नहीं कि वो लड़की है तो फिर धीरे तेज
ठीक है.
मैं भी मार सकती हूँ यहाँ से
गाइस शी मींस इक्वालिटी है आप दोनों इक्वल हो और दोनों मार
हाँ मतलब वही मेरे मुंह से निकल गया गलत
ओके
हम चीट कर
start
सकते हैं
like
ना
that.
इसमें. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. हम
Yeah.
बोल सकते हैं हाँ शी सेइंग द करेक्ट.
या
but see,
तभी मैं तो बोल रहा था ये क्यू कार्ड पे है।
स्मार्ट.
मैंने इनको बोला था मैंने
Cue
बोला था
card?
मैंने कहा क्यू कार्ड
नहीं,
दे
नहीं, कोई
देना,
नहीं, कोई
पहले
नहीं. We will not cheat, we will not cheat, we will not cheat.
okay
हमने थोड़ी कोई रियलिटी शो किया है जो हम चीट वीट करेंगे. चलो.
all right what's the shoe size of your partner
6. That's correct. Yeah.
that's correct what's my shoe size
है 8
ये लो.
Yeah, sorry. You.
Oh.
क्या है
घर जाके बताऊंगी
लग गई यार
लगनी चाहिए what was the last time you cried your partner cried
I'm a crybaby. It's too easy for him. When was the last time you cried?
Last week only you cried, na?
I'm a crybaby. I cry all the time.
You have to
he's
tell
not
his.
I know. That's what I'm trying to think. He doesn't cry very.
that is a tricky question because you need guys बहुत कम लड़के
He
बहुत कम
doesn't,
रोते हैं.
मैं सैफी के सामने नहीं रोता जल्दी.
He doesn't.
मैं
कभी
बाथरूम
like
में
that one.
बाथरूम में रोऊंगा मैं अगर रोऊंगा तो. I either in the
I think
bathroom
the last time
or
I
when
saw
she's
him cry
asleep.
was probably when his uncle had passed away. That was the last time I saw him cry in front of me. Otherwise, I have not seen him.
क्या?
When was the last time I cried?
You cry every day, bro. यो स्टूडियो को घर से स्टूडियो कैसे कर दिया?
Me too, Shagufta. No, me too. I'm having the same reaction.
Okay. First expensive gift you have gifted to your partner.
She gifted me.
She gifted you. Huh?
She gifted me Gucci.
First.
Best.
Is it correct?
Yeah.
You. Hell.
No, her first expensive gift was Dior Sauvage. That was a
Gucci was
perfume,
more
but Gucci was more expensive. First Gucci, na? First was
Or
Dior.
it can come in like a,
Gucci was the recent one.
Yeah.
Wow.
He gifted me Burberry. Was that the first?
No, you don't have to ask. You just have to answer. Otherwise, you
For me,
won't hit each other.
I have memory loss. Huh?
Same,
I'm
same.
growing old,
'Cause my-
guys. I have memory loss.
Because my rebuttal question was it before marriage or after marriage?
That also I don't remember.
I don't think they will hit each other. I don't think.
I think it's Burberry.
They need to hit.
Y'all.
Yeah, what was the first expensive? Come on, same question.
She
I'm liking
gifted
this.
me Jordan.
And
Yeah.
what was?
I gifted a lot of things.
My watch.
Watch.
Chennai.
True.
Was the most unexpected thing that has turned you on when you have been together?
Everything she does turns me on. I'm a guy. I've done splits
Most
villa. People know me.
unexpected.
People understand. People understand that this is our major criteria to enter that show. You have to be.
What is like make you
If Shagufta is laughing, everybody's gonna be laughing. Everybody's laughing there. This is. I just gave you another 10 views. I can't even say Zada because I don't know how many people are gonna watch this. So 10 views.
You tell me. Most unexpected.
Yeah, tell me because I really want to keep doing it again and again. What's that one thing that turns you on? Because I want to do it every time.
I think when he suddenly gives me like a nice massage.
No.
That is what.
Where?
That's unexpected because if I tell him where normal,
Can
matlab,
be any. It can be a touch, not touch sense like you're talking about.
yeah, but I think now we've lived with each other for so long, and it's like
हमें अपने आप से मत जोड़िए. हम अलग हैं. हम अलग हैं.
no,
Okay. Moving on. What's the most flirtatious thing you could say to your partner right now that could make your partner heart race? You have to say one thing to him.
मोहित तो बोल लेगा.
Flirtatious thing.
to make his heart race.
Race.
Oh, my heart is racing. Let's go.
No, just tell.
Uh,
Just start with Mohit. Say it.
Babs, you wanna go shopping? I just
that's
know. कौन सा नस को
नस
दबाना है ना
हाँ.
मेरे को पता है. Smart. Time to whack you because you don't have an answer.
But नारा क्यों खोल?
Tonight?
Let's fucking go.
She wanted. She's like, let's fucking go. Nice.
Great.
Well done.
Next.
done.
If you could switch life for a day, what would be the first thing you would do as your partner?
हाँ? क्या?
If they
It's
switch
a
their
very,
life, if she be Mohit and Mohit be Steffi, what would they do for the first thing? She's a man, he's a girl. What would they do?
As a man as well, as Steffi, I'll
as
tell
Steffi,
you.
no, as a girl, like you have a woman body and she has a man
the
body.
things that
like,
you would do.
Yeah, the first thing you would want to do.
रोडीज के ऑडिशन में लग रहे हैं हम
Yes, हवा.
है ना? ऐसा लग रहा है अभी वहां से
हाँ,
लग उठेगा. तू ये बोल रहा
अब मैं confused हो गया if I should sound funny or should I sound morally correct?
है.
No, it's funny.
Yeah, if again as a woman, I would try to stand and pee.
Try to
Stand and pee.
stand and pee.
As a woman, as me.
Yeah. As a woman. As a
That's
woman.
it, as a woman.
As Steffi.
As a Steffi?
Because I want to understand what the whole point is. You know, like I know it'll all
I
trickle
know
down and
मोहित
everything.
आंसर. नहीं मुझे पता मोहित का आंसर क्या है. As a Steffi, मैं बोलूँगा मोहित you are always right. I'm sorry.
नहीं भाई, मैं बोलूँगा tonight.
Tonight? That was a good
As a
one, though.
man, what would I do?
You will also stand.
You would
and
become
be-
an elephant.
Yeah, do that only. Get naked and. What is the fun in that?
सुन.
देखा इसलिए हम लोग ने आज बेडरूम चूज किया था because it's bedroom segment.
No, but what would you do if you turned?
I was going to talk about that. I swear. on
No, if
God.
you turned like
Yeah.
Mohit.
You-
Yeah.
I would transfer a lot of money to my wife's account.
Yeah, that's
So
a
she can
smart
shop.
thing to do.
No.
No, yes, हो गया. Sach निकल गया. This is the Neelam show.
लड़कियों को पैसे ही
हो
चाहिए.
गया हो गया हाँ,
हाँ.
मेरे को कपड़े चाहिए.
चलो बढ़िया तू क्या करती है
Nice, huh?
हाँ. Yeah, भाई. Your turn.
Man. I don't know if I would be a man or be.
हाँ be a
Let's
man,
say
be a man.
let's say be harsh.
Be harsh.
हाँ.
I think yeah, I know. If I would be harsh, now I would go to his friends, which is Shivit, Manu, and everyone, and I'll go and check his phone, what's there inside.
Wow.
And I want to know every detail. क्या message पे क्या बात है, and I'll be harsh and I'll be like, भाई दिखाना क्या है?
Wow.
And I'll get to know everything. Smart.
Wow.
What would you do?
Tell me.
मैं सुबह उठूंगा सबसे पहले हर्ष के पैर छूंगा कि यू आर ऑलवेज राइट थैंक यू फॉर टॉलरेटिंग मी आई नो यू आर द फकिंग टॉक्सिक पर्सन इन योर लाइफ
यही चाहिए ना देखो पैर छूना.
नहीं पैर छूना ऐसा नहीं मतलब इट्स लाइक मोर रिस्पेक्ट है ना कि बेबी उठो चाय पी लो खाना खा लो
वो मैं रोज करती हूँ खाना खिलाना. देखो ये किसको लगता है कि ये उठ के ब्रेकफास्ट बनाता होगा
हाँ.
घर पे?
मेरी काम वाली दीदी बना के जाती दीदी ज्यादा
मैं
प्यारी
अभी भी उस गेम में हूँ. We listen and we don't judge.
हाँ,
मैं
we
उसी
listen,
गेम
we
खेल
don't
रहा हूँ
judge,
तब से.
actually.
चलो
हाँ.
ठीक है. Okay, so last segment.
और कितना लास्ट सेगमेंट पिछले 3 सेगमेंट से सुने जा रहा हूँ लास्ट सेगमेंट.
It's not a segment. It's like
हाँ.
we have a small surprise for
Oh
someone
wow,
else.
wow.
So there's a fan of yours.
Okay.
And we had this the comment section पे we had this game in our the group and we asked कि जो भी मोहित and स्टेफी के बारे में बता सकता है अच्छी बात है. So there was this girl we found and she really wants to see you, so we'll make them video call them. Her name is Shivani.
Hey Shivani.
Yeah.
तू लगती है नानी.
उसने मेरे से भी बात की वो कहती है
सृष्टि
मेरा
और
नाम
शिवानी
सृष्टि
दोनों
भी
ही
नाम
नाम है
है
उसका.
तो मैंने कहा
दो
जिसका नाम
नाम?
सृष्टि हो
Yeah, उसका एक pet name. Hi, she's. Hello, hi.
स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग
So guys, one second.
कंटेंट नहीं मिल
Hi Shivani. So once I want to show the camera. Okay guys, this is Shivani.
Oh.
We're talking to Shivani right now. So अभी मैं आपको मोहित और स्टेफी से मिलवाना चाहती हूँ और आप जो बोलना चाहते हैं आप उनको बोलिए.
Hi.
Hi. How are you? Hi. We are good.
चल रहा है. I've heard आपके 2 नाम है सृष्टि और शिवानी दोनों. अच्छा 3 नाम है.
3 नाम है guys. सृष्टि,
Wow.
शिवानी, आयुषी.
एक औरत
Okay.
के कितने रूप हो सकते हैं
घर चल के बताऊंगी.
अच्छा.
Bedroom talk.
Okay, got it.
Ayushi.
Got it. Ayushi. Hi Ayushi, how are you?
व्हाट अ प्लेयर
Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry that you had to go through that. That's sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Most welcome.
All right, शिवानी आपको एक और व्यक्ति से मिलवाते हैं.
She's seeing me when I didn't have my beard white.
हाउ आर यू
When you were younger.
When you were young.
थैंक यू सो मच
All right. So that was all for today.
When I'm with you.